Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to log in into booking.com. Booking.com is an online platform that is used for booking hotel rooms and so on. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our booking.com app. Here, as you can see, right after opening our booking.com app, will be on the home page. Here from the home page on the below, you'll be able to see four options: search, save, bookings and sign in. Here you'll have to tap on the option sign in. Before logging in your booking.com account, make sure that you have already created a booking.com account. If you haven't created a booking.com account, then you can see that tutorial on our another video. Now getting into our video, here you'll have to tap on the sign in option that is located on the top. You'll also be able to see a sign in or create account option right above the rewards and wallet option. You can choose on the first option or the second option. Here I will be choosing the first sign in option. After that, here you'll be able to see various options such as continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email address. If you have linked your booking.com account with your Google account, then you can continue with your Google. If you haven't, then you can continue with your email address. Here I will be using the email address option. After that, here you'll have to type the email address that you have used while creating your booking.com account. After that, tap on continue. Here you'll have to type the password that you have used while creating your booking.com account. If you have by any chance forgotten your password, then you'll be able to see option forgotten your password on the last option. You can click it and go through the process. For now, I will not be getting into that process and directly tapping on sign in. After tapping on sign in, here as you can see, I have successfully logged in into my booking.com account. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log in into your booking.com account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.